Premier from i2i Technologies, live, virtual, and hybrid event services to simplify your life. We focus on human interaction and engagement to create an exceptional experience for you. A statewide distance learning organization canceled its face-to-face conference as the global pandemic spread throughout the U.S. The board of directors decided to take the opportunity to provide support and share their expertise through a 12-week lunch webinar series. Their challenge was a short turnaround time. The i2i Technologies team provided leadership in the development of the webinar series idea. A conversational format provided calm leadership in uncertain times. A simple, interactive, and streaming platform connected attendees with experts. A co-branded image for the series clearly communicated the goals and objectives. Our skilled team members prepared presenters prior to each session and actively facilitated live sessions. We also provided and formatted attendance reports for documentation of participation. To extend the impact, we edited and branded webinar recordings for monetization opportunities. At the end of the 12-week webinar series, we developed a model for the organization to deliver additional webinars and virtual conferences for both increasing reach and monetization. The webinar series was the perfect way to share expertise in a challenging time and develop processes for future events. If you need assistance with live, virtual, and hybrid events, i2i Technologies can help. Visit i2itech.com/virtual to learn more.